today I got a mountain of packages, looks like from Element 14. A couple of days early for my birthday, but it's great. I'm just gonna have to find out what all of this stuff is. Okay, so first little package is a Raspberry Pi 4 Model B, 8 gigabytes of RAM. Very nice. I'm gonna make good use of that. Maybe turn that into an MQTT server. Oh, here's another package. This one's a little heavier. Heavier duty tape. Wow. A Bose SoundLink Revolve 2. Looks like a nice Bluetooth speaker. Deep, loud, and immersive, true 360-degree sound. Water and dust resistant. Well, I'll have to open that up a little bit later after I get through all this packaging. Okay, next up. Maybe this one's not gonna open this way. Maybe I'll open it on the end. It's not quite clear. Okay. Oh yeah. This is a nice case. One of those carry cases. I believe it's a multi-comp. Yeah, a multi-comp Pro. Great looking case. Another big one. Wow, and an even bigger case. Super. Lots of great cases to carry around my electronics and instrumentation. And a much bigger box. And the giant size. Wow. Look at the size of that case. Huge handle. Good looking cases. So 3 rugged, looks like they're fairly watertight carry cases. An awesome Bose speaker and a Raspberry Pi 4B 8 gigabytes. That's an awesome prize. Thank you very much, Element 14. I think this is for one of the scavenger hunt quizzes. Beautiful. And here I've opened up the cases. You can see that they've got nice foam inserts already, and this stuff here is pluckable foam, so you can customize the fit for whatever you're putting inside here by plucking out little squares or cubes of foam. Very solid, rugged case. And 3 of them. That's going to really come in handy whenever I have to transport delicate electronics.